What was the original diet that God designed for all humans? You read in Genesis 1 verse 29, and God said, "See, I have given you every herb that yields seed, and every tree whose fruit yields seed, and to you it shall be for food." After Adam and Eve sinned, what supplemental food did God add to their diet? It says, when they could no longer eat from the tree of the knowledge of good and evil, no longer eat from the tree of life. The other trees were gotten them in trouble. By the way, you notice that eating had something to do with the trouble we're in right now? Eating the wrong thing. What supplemental food did he add to their diet? He said, "You will eat the herb of the field." So the original diet was fruits, grains, and nuts. This was the ideal diet.
A diet rich in fruits, grains, and nuts is often considered ideal for promoting overall health and well-being. These wholesome foods provide a diverse array of essential nutrients, including vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants. Fruits bring a burst of natural sweetness and vitamins, while whole grains offer complex carbohydrates for sustained energy and fiber to support digestive health. Nuts, on the other hand, pack a punch with healthy fats, protein, and various micronutrients. Together, they form a nutritious trio that can contribute to weight management, heart health, and even help reduce the risk of chronic diseases.